Hi everyone, we have here dun, dun, Majestic. So, what is your name?
Anahita Yadav.
Anahita Yadav. What is the name of the character?
Hiccup, Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon.
Your Dragon. Absolute genius. Anahita, why did you choose this character?
Because it was really relatable, like how he can't kill that dragon and he became friends with him. That's how I am. Like if any wild animal I see, I'll pet him and he'll be my friend. I just have that faith in me.
Second question is, what was the hardest part about this cosplay?
This toothless, whole toothless, and I have to make this within a week. It was, and it's my first foam work. So it was like really big deal because in beginning people make swords and all, and I just made this big.
Absolute genius. I love her already. The last question is, what was your first character that you cosplayed?
I don't even remember. It was.
Which number cosplay is this?
I don't even remember. Okay, first.
Okay.
Bunny Girl Senpai. Yeah.
She's a genius all the way. A cosplay genius. Thank you. Absolute genius. Second question is, why did you choose this character?
It was relatable, and it has like it was like.
I asked this question. Second question is, what was the second question? Yeah, what